Bitcoin Gold, we start with 1 hour chart. And if you refer to our analysis, in my last video, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. If anyone got the trade from here, it was not a really good trade setup, by the way. Whoever get the trade for buy from here, right now, at least move their stop loss to break even. But as I mentioned, it was not a really good trade setup to look for. It was a really risky trade. And right now, we want to see what's the next, because now the question is whether we can put this one as a correction relative to this for the next drop before we get the reversal, because this is the best we're looking for. Even I explained in my last analysis, even we are expecting to see one more drop, and the next drop, it can be, I mean, we don't need to wait for the price to tag the lowest price of this move, all right? Because what we can see here is quite corrective, all right? This is the best if we can look for, if he wants to look for buy, it can give us better confirmation for continuation as a reversal. The reason is we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. But how about if the price continue from here? If the price continue from here as a corrective, we just let it go. Either we see the sharp move flag, we take the trade, or the best is if this one turn to a correction. If we see any correction similar to what I draw here, then we can put in relative to this. Then any trade for buy will take it, and we need to see the breakout of 47.5 following by 51.7. That's mean we have to see the breakout of this one to confirm we are with an uptrend. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. If this one turns to a correction similar to what I draw here, then we will take the trade for buy. And if we move to daily chart, even we discussed in my last analysis, we mentioned if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity, right, as we can see here, that's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we will take it. But at this point, we don't see any reversal or any opportunity for buy based on daily. Mostly we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. But if we get any opportunity for buy, this is what we're looking for. And the targets we're looking for is 105 following by 125. But as I say, we have to take the trade based on lower time frame, and even based on forward chart. If we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the correction before we take the next trade. Simply, we cannot take the trade because, as I explained earlier, we can expect to see one more drop before we get the reversal. That's why if we want to look for buy from here, we have to wait for the correctional trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.